Did you know our mudguards are made from 100% recycled waste plastic? Waste plastic is saved from going to landfill by being collected from around the UK and reworked at the Leicestershire-based plant into the raw materials used to make our mudguards at our Midlands-based production facility. All of our mudguards are designed, made and packed less than 10 miles from the Mudhugger head office. We describe our packaging as minimalist, meaning we use the minimum amount to ensure that the huggers are protected during storage and transit. We don't use any unnecessary plastic or cardboard, minimising waste and keeping the cost to the end customer as low as possible. We only order full pallets of mudguards to maximise transport loads and keep diesel usage to a minimum. Once made and packed onto pallets, they are transported to our local warehouse where they are stored until needed to fulfil our online orders. We use Royal Mail for delivering our UK online orders. Research shows they are the most carbon-conscious delivery company in the UK for delivering our small and medium-sized parcels. Mudhugger mudguards are designed to be lightweight yet robust enough for the roughest of mountain bike trails. Made from recycled plastic with long life expectancy and can be recycled again at the end of their useful life. Order yours today for guilt-free smiles on the wettest of trails.